So, couple of things that are very important in the sign language community. It is important how we do the sign, because while there is a lot of different variations to maybe a sign, if you do a certain sign the wrong way, it can mean a whole different word, change the meaning of it, change the whole context of it. So if ever you're in doubt and you feel like you got finger spelling down, or you just don't know the word as your journey continues, once you forget a word, instead of trying to sign it or making something up, all you have to do is finger spell the word. For example, if you want to go to the store and you forgot how to sign store, and you say, I want to go to the, and you can't remember what the sign is, you can just say S, our finger spell STORE, store. So that's just like really quick, just to remember. It's going to be hard for me to, well, I can't see you guys. So I will do each sign three different ways. I will show you forward, I will show you a side view and another side view, so you can kind of get a 360 view of my position and like the body language. So a couple other things to remember in sign language, your facial expression is very important, because once again, depending on your face expression, you maybe end up negating something that you said. For example, if you say, if you want to say no, thank you, but your head, is stuck like this, and you just go like that, like no, thank you, or you go like that, that just means thank you. You need to shake your head and put your eyebrows down and make sure you say, no, thank you. So they know that that is a negation and it means no. But that's further down the line. So that's just about facial expression. When you say who, you put your eyebrows down. When you say what, you put your eyebrows up. Certain questions, you kind of will start to learn. But like I said, that's kind of down the line. But I just want to give you a brief history, really quick. Another thing that's really important is the placement of your hands, because, for example, if you want to say mother, but you place your hands up here, that actually means father. So you need to bring it back down here, so you can do the actual sign for mother. So, and just FYI, top of the face, a lot of the signs are, male or male gender signs, as far as boy, father, grandfather, great grandfather, and the bottom half of the face is for female gender signs like girl, mother, grandmother, great grandmother. Um, Hand shape is another thing that's very important. The shape of your hand really depicts, what sign you're doing, or whatever you're trying to express and convey. Palm orientation is important to remember. Okay, for what sign is your hand, your palms facing forward? Maybe your palms may be facing downward, inward, one at another. And also the movement is very important, because once again, it can change the meaning of the sign. So, for example, if you sign eat, you do that one time, or you do it one time, eat. But for the sign food, you do it twice. So if you say, I want some food, you have to do it twice. And if you say eat, you just do it one time. So the movement is important because it changes it up.